science has in fact discovered God. And you can talk to the hardline atheists and they will say, it looks like science has indeed discovered God. How are we going to have this idea of is there a God or not? Notice that the creation force isn't the three-letter word God. If you look at the words carefully, it's a quantum fluctuations. So look what science has discovered. We can create the universe from absolute nothing, provided we have the forces of nature. Now the laws of nature, the forces of nature aren't physical, they act on the physical. So if they create the universe, that means they predate the universe. So now we have a set of forces, we call them the laws of nature, that are not physical, that are able to act on the physical. They create the physical from absolute nothing. And they predate the universe, which means they predate our understanding of time. Put that together, and it sounds very familiar. If you haven't noticed it, that's the biblical definition of God. There's only one nuance that's left hanging. We can talk about it another time, perhaps. It's that which created the universe, those forces active in the universe. But up to that point, science says, you are correct. The definition of the biblical God is predates time, outside of time. God is not a physical being, is a force, and it creates the universe. You'll notice at the opening chapter of Genesis, the only name for God is Elohim, God as manifest in the universe. Science has indeed discovered the biblical God, or we just need one part left, crucial. That which created the universe is also active in the universe itself. The very fact that you're watching this now pretty much establishes that point.
You know very well, this is very serious. If hardcore atheists have to be like, wow, I guess there is a God, especially if they forces that predates the universe. Yeah. All I gotta say though, like, all I gotta do is look at the windows, look at the stars, knowing how big the stars are. Like our sun is a yellow dwarf compared to a star, which is like almost as big as the solar system itself, at least the inner part of the solar system, which is ridiculously big. And to go further, and the quote, I think it's there's a famous astronomer, Carl Sagan. If I remember, one of the quotes, it says there are far more stars out in the heavens than there are every grains of sand on every beach on earth. Think about this, folks. Scoop up some sand, look at it, and it grains of sand are tiny. And think of it, this is one scoop of sand for one particular beach. One small section, but you got a scoop of sand, and it's countless amounts of sand particles. Now think about this. There are more stars in the heavens for every grain of sand or every beach on this planet. That should tell you the magnitude and power of God. So think about it next time you look at the sky. God bless.